Hello everyone, I am Dannicah Saycon,
And I am Jessa Galila,
and
and
we
we
are
are
to
to present
present
our
our
approved
approved
proposed
proposed
study,
study, the NOAA, the New Normal Oasis for Adaptation and a Home.
an adaptive habitation complex prototype redevelopment for NOAA and SRP Cebu City.
The widespread of COVID-19 pandemic has been a threat to people's health and lives. Quarantine facilities were considered to be one of the solutions of helping and controlling the spread of the virus so as to accommodate and aid affected patients. Yet fear not, for it always has its ways to cure the pandemic. However, the use of quarantine facilities after pandemic is undetermined and was still a discussion. NOAA quarantine facility at South Road property is used as one of the temporary solutions for the pandemic of Cebu City. The facility itself was used for temporary purposes. The existing site of the NOAA quarantine facility has the great potential for development where the current facility can still be used and can have a long-term purpose even after pandemic. In this study, we researchers seek to apply the option of redevelopment of the quarantine facility at the South Road property in Cebu that will greatly enhance the potential of the site. The current quarantine facility will be feasible for the proposed habitation complex, as well as the study aims to provide a long-term function of the development and to the future needs such in line to support housing development.
In relation to the ongoing issues regarding the pandemic and the use of facilities after pandemic, the current quarantine facility of NOAA at SRP came to our concern, where we researchers are challenged to enhance and develop the potential of the site of the NOAA quarantine facility, a proposed redevelopment that will benefit for the people of Cebu and the personnel in Cebu City. In this study, we need to identify the possible concepts and theories that can be applied with regards to user need behavior and location. This will also include the following on the list for the future design of the proposed redevelopment.
The purpose of the study for the redevelopment of the NOAA is for the people of Cebu City and that will also benefit the local government to have impact on the society, to the researcher and architects.
The NOAA facility complex is situated in Antuanga's South Road property, Cebu, with a 31,500 square meter total lot area and is a leased property which is owned by the local government of Cebu City.
As for the design solution, we had provided a detailed discussion and explanation to our study. The redevelopment of NOAA facility complex is designed and planned thoroughly with the support of the data we had gathered, conforming to the architectural objectives and goals we wanted to achieve. To fairly see the potential of the site, we researchers had come up on a SWOT analysis. Through this method, we could thoroughly provide an effective solution conforming to the needs and considerations of the proposed redevelopment. This we show you the strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat of the site of the proposed redevelopment.
The site is oriented at the southwest side of Cebu in an island-type reclamation area, where the site is adjacent to an open pond area and is surrounded by competitive mixed-use developments, including residential and commercial with accessible public roads provided. We also provided the site analysis which will support the effective orientation of the redevelopment planning including the placement of buildings and zoning arrangement.
We had provided the site development allocation computation, which will further support the ideal proposed adaptive habitable complex redevelopment. The presented table shows the computed site development yield with a 64.84% of site development allocations. The presented computation as well include the percentage of the area to be utilized for the new development showing. This is to support the effective and fair planning of the proposed redevelopment. We present to you the site development plan including a road setup. We intend to remain as is the existing structure of the current NOAA quarantine facility to support adaptively to the proposed redevelopment plan and to future expansion.
The following presents the proposed redevelopment for the NOAA quarantine facility.